Alright, we have another unboxing here. This one is from the folks at A24. Let's open it up and take a closer look at it. A24 presents Zone of Interest on 4K UHD. A24 always puts out the goods on their movies and their physical media releases. This is one that was not sent to me. I did pick this one up, and it did come out last Friday on the 26th. I believe it was the 26th. So yeah, cannot wait to dive in and check this one out. But let me know, guys, if you've seen this movie, do you recommend it? Let me know over in the comments section. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and remember, keep physical media alive.